today. So today's trade was this. Okay, so RBI's meeting was at 10:05. Okay, 10:05 is the opening price. I took an entry here. Okay, in this family gap, stop loss was here somewhere. Okay, and then this was my target. Okay, always. I think I have told this in a previous video. I always expect some resistance at 75%, which actually you get. Okay, and whenever it hits 75%, right, you have a very immediate reaction, okay, to 50%, okay, which did happen. Okay, but from here I expected to it go up, okay, and which it did not do. Okay, so again, whenever it does that, right, my stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, if it does come here, which it breaches 50%, right, my stop loss is breaking here. So basically I keep my break even stop loss when it hits 75%, which is here. As you can see, yeah, so at one time the profit was running around 4,000, which is okay. I was expecting more, which did not materialize today. Probably we end up into this thing, consolidation, matlab like this. Okay, again I'm expecting the market to go up. Okay, from here this is probably this thing, for now the short bottom, but if it ends up being bearish, then we have this market maker sell model, but I'm expecting it to go up. But if the market is really bearish, which I might not realize, because India might be doing very bad. I mean, looking at USD INR, it's pretty bad. Okay, again, but there are some things which are not in our this thing hand. Matlab, you are seeing this, maybe something behind is happening, something is cooking behind this thing stage, and something much better is coming, but I don't know about that. But for now, the charts are telling me it should go up. Okay, by Nifty. Okay, this is the shift. Okay, for now. Okay, I'll probably see if it fills this fair value gap, right, then probably we have some tension. Okay, for now it looks good. Okay, yeah, and if it starts going down from here, then yes, we have a big problem. Okay, I just want to show you previous RBI this thing, if anyone is interested. One of the setup is that we actually on the open, right, is the open price from the starting of the day, which is on 15 year, it starts to go up. Okay, and then we hit POP daily high, matlab previous of the previous day daily high, 2 days daily high, and then we fall down or whatever, go up. Okay, another trade which happens usually is this. Okay, and suddenly out of nowhere at 10:05 only, okay, when our governor has not even started speaking, the market goes up or down, and that's it. That's a day, this thing. For all of these setups, right, the main important part is always this thing, daily order flow. If it is going up, it will keep on going up. Okay, very rarely it will. I have not seen only. I have at least, I think, backtraced around 30 RBI this thing meetings, but never seen a direct this thing. What is that? U-turn. Okay, on that day itself. Okay, it does take a lot of time. I mean, that's how orders are built, right? Even this, as you can see, if it is stuck in the range, there's another situation where previous day, right, we have a very large range. Okay, the next day just becomes this thing, flat day. Okay, it doesn't move. I mean, you can call this a move, but I don't call this a move. Okay, this is what I was expecting, this, not this. Also, this is a direct move. Okay, which I am not counting, because this is, I don't know, trading directly at the top of the speech of when RBI is announcing this thing. I feel it's gambling. Okay, maybe some people can actually predict, but that's not for me for now, though, at least. Okay, this is what I was expecting. I was expecting it to, so today was bullish, right? I was expecting it to go down. Okay, which did happen. Okay, go down and then take and go up. Okay, take previous day low and go up. Okay, this part was this thing, it goes up to fall down. Okay, as you can see, it was bearish here. Okay, it was stuck in the range actually, but yeah, totally bearish there. Here also same thing, it goes up, takes out POP daily high. This is this thing, order flow, as you can see, it is bearish. Okay, this was here. Okay, it goes down. I was expecting this, did not materialize like this. Okay, this was again same thing. The previous day we make a very large range day. Okay, which is around 2.2%. I think that day the ADR was around 600 or something, so still way beyond the ADR. Okay, and similar this thing, it goes up to fall down. Okay, we are bearish, as you can see here, this part, not this, obviously bearish we are here, and then we fall down. Okay, anything else, this again, if we do not take out any highs or low, right, it probably just ends up being this thing into a range, into a range. Okay, same thing here, we are bearish here, as you can see, all these red candles, we go up to fall down. Okay, same thing, we go up to fall down. Okay, again you can see it is bearish. Here the only point I could see this thing a level was this thing, a rejection block. Other than that, nothing. This is one of the places where the setup actually failed. Okay, this was September 30, 2022, where the market was bearish. Okay, but it hits POP daily high, forms a fair value gap, whatever, and then it doesn't fall. Okay, just continues going up. So this is probably one of the very few instances where this thing market actually forms a bottom. Okay, this same thing here. We previous day we go beyond the ATR, and the next day just market doesn't do anything, just is stuck in the range. Okay, this one also this, yeah, it doesn't take out any highs or lows, it doesn't go beyond the ATR also. Move does come, but after 225. So again, not a setup. And another, this one, same thing, we are stuck in the range. As you can see that I think this is the 9th bar or something. Okay, so again if you're stuck in a range, it's probably not no trade actually. And as you can, you get a trade, but yeah, whenever there's this thing range, right, it's best to fade. Okay, which does happen here. This is one instance. Another one instance is here. I mean, it does so everything actually, all the rules of RBI trading does apply. The same thing applies for opening price. So instead of opening trading being at 9:15, right, you start at 10:15, okay, 10:05, okay, and then you consider all your this thing setups, which does work amazing. Okay, as you can see that this thing interest rate is also falling, which is amazing. This is falling. Why is this going up? This guy is falling up one day. Okay, I'm expecting that this thing now, what is that, bond rates to go up now, but this thing, the bond yield, the interest, this thing, whatever bond prices to go up, to go down, yield to go down. Okay, so that this thing, if you invest in bonds, you'll get a good returns. Okay, so I think this is a good time actually to start doing this thing, bond. I have already done bond. Okay, I'm already sitting at a profit of 1%. Gold 13%. Okay, gold is doing pretty good. Okay, every day is going up 1%. Okay, expecting it to go to this 171. What I'm expecting is for Nifty for now though, that we actually go up, right, and then start falling down. So into this move, right, most retailers will start buying now. They'll start buying. They'll think, okay, the market is going up, and this is the time when actually the smart money will start selling and start buying bonds. Okay, and then it will fall, and then retailers will lose money in stock market, but smart money will make money in bond market because of this thing, interest rates are very high, interest rates are low, and that's why you're getting higher interest this thing, whatever the money on bond. Okay, so I think it's a very good time to buy in bonds. What I think right now is happening is something very similar to 2013. Okay, which is this is 2013, 15 also, and 13 also. Same thing, is a period of time where market 13 was this. So yeah, it was this only, 15 only again. Okay, as you can see, this period of time we were bullish on the monthly chart. Okay, but it was this, as you can see, we were bullish. Okay, we had just suffered this thing, recession 2008. Okay, 15 it was, 15 16 we did not do anything. Okay, that is a point. And then this was the time where this thing, if you had bought bonds, that was the best time. Even 2022 was the same kind of period. This is what I'm expecting again. Okay, same kind of situation where this thing, rupee was depreciating a lot. Okay, this will happen probably. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, this is where the index doesn't fall technically much, it's just 25%. Okay, obviously stocks fall more, but this is the time where most retailers will lose their money and lose their patience. This is the time actually I feel everyone should do bonds. Okay, or at least do FD, because this is the time the FD will be the highest. This is where you get this thing shift here. This is where you know your this thing is bullish, another chance you get, and then see the fantastic rally. Okay, amazing rally. This is the time, this whole time no one should try to bottom fish any stock. It should not be, okay, this stock is going 10%. No, those stocks will fail probably. There's hardly any stock which will actually outperform the market when the broader index is just falling. Okay, so the best time to do this thing, bonds here. This period usually lasts for 1 year. Okay, which is this, I mean, this is the absolute high and absolute low, which is 300 days. This is, you can consider this also, which is around this thing 400 days. Till now how many days have passed? till that this thing. And the reason why this happens for at least for 1 year is just simply because of this thing. What is that? That is the time amount of time required to collect all these orders, all these stocks, to buy, sell, all these things. So considerable amount of time is left actually. That's a lot more. 250 days are remaining. So let's see how this goes. 250 or at least 100 days. Okay, whatever fits for you. But I think everyone should. Not everyone should. Matlab, I'm not advising anyone. Okay, but I think someone should consider this. SPI fund, SPI fund, SPI fund, SPI fund. This one. Okay, this was a good this thing. Dynamic bond, obviously no risk. When bond don't have risk. Okay. That's it. Let's see how this pans out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.